One of the worst decisions I've made when having a dog was getting a light sofa and a light carpet. Look at all of that staining and the dirt. Let's see if that can fix it. Trunks, stop. Right, so this button here is spraying. Right. Now. Stop. Look at that, it's already picking it up. Trunks, stop! You're gonna make it dirty again. Obviously, I only did a tiny little area, but look at that dirty water. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do the rest of it and the carpets as well. Okay, it's not completely dry yet, but look how much better that is. Wow.